Right, so hello everyone, this is the venue for the biker Bonfire Bash, courtesy of Red Shirt Pete and Cosmic Psy. Just going to take you on a little walk round on what we've got. We've been working on some bits and bobs, so it's not quite as raw as it was earlier. There's a stream over his bridge. What we're coming on to now is proposed bike and car parking. That's going to be bikes, and we're thinking this is going to be vans, campers, cars and some more bikes, and then we're going to have a no vehicular access through here into the main area. And we've got, as you can see over there, we've got like a area set out for bonfire. Don't worry, the tyres aren't going on it. Me and Pete have been grafting away today. So here's the bonfire area, and we come round here, centre of bonfire. We come round here. Hi Pete! Hello! So we come round here under this arch. This is a railway above here. So come under here, and this is where we were thinking you can put your tents under here. There's a couple of room there for a couple of tents. It's not the most comfy, but you know. And then out back here, some other places. We're going to trim this down a bit and make it a bit more habitable. There's some wood for fire. And oh, I'll have to come back up here with a pot. So come out of this arch, and we're right the way around here. Oh, loads of little places. Place down there. Another arch under here. Not so good for putting a tent up under here or anything, but it is shelter. And bonfire. Ooh. And we have a shed here, which we're going to make into a canteen kitchen and a phone charging point should you want to charge your phone. And we're going to have like a little stove in here for kettle, coffees and what have you. It needs sorting out just a little, but there's a workbench there which we can use for everything. And then we have a bench out here where we're going to have, hopefully the barbecue is going to be there, so you can come and do your hot dogs, burgers, whatever. And then we'll have plates and ketchup and stuff on there. And that is basically it. So there we are. I have done the car park, yes. Peter there, have you done the car park? Yes, I've done the car park. So that's about it, folks. Stay tuned for more of the same. Ta-ra.